Let me connect my orders table. I'm directly going to transform data. Okay, fine. Now observe here that. So here you know that this is row ID. By default, this column is there. So if you don't have such column in your real time, what is the other option which we have that? That is the index number. So index number, there are three ways that you can start with. So here you can start from the 0 or start from the 1, or you can give custom as well. So these are all the three types. In the interviews also they will ask you. So what is the index in Power Query Editor? So they will ask you directly that what is the index in Power BI. So they don't particularly mention that Power Query Editor. So you just keep in mind the three ways that we can perform that index number. Index means index page number, just like that. So here observe the moment I'm going here. So I just given that, let me remove it. Now observe three ways that are there. So where I am right now, add column. So whatever you apply over here, that under this add column, it is going to add the new column over here. That is keep in mind. So the moment you click over here that from 0, so you can say, so it is going to start from 1. So just give me a second. I'm in session now. Okay, then bye. Sorry for that interruption. Just observe here that your index number is starting from the 0. So whenever anybody asks you your index number, always it is going to start from the 0. Remember that. Is it only the 0? Otherwise, can you able to give from the 1? Yes, we can give from the 1 as well. So that is the second way that you can apply. So don't worry about that wherever the column selection that you do. So that, no matter. So you just go here that you just give that index number, it is going to add there. So this is how. So this is how 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. So you can start from the 1. That's fine. And another one, the option that is there, the custom option. So here you can freely give any index number. For example, I want to start from the 5 something. So every increment, here the increment you just observe whenever we given here the from the 0 or 1. So every increment is 1. So 0 after 0, 1. So after 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this, which means that here the increment is the 1. So here also 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, your increment is 1 between the two numbers. So here you can freely anything. So instead of I want to start from the 0 or 1, I want to start from the 5. So what I want, every time I want to, my increment will be the 5. So it means that my index number first is 5, the next number 10, 15, 20, 25, like that only you are going to get it. So that is simple thing, but you just keep in mind three things that you can give. This is how you get it. So it means that you can give index number 0, 1 or 5 like this you can give. So here the one thing that is there, can you able to filter it out? Yes, you can filter it out, no worry. So that is only the thing, just 3 steps that you can understand from here. So apart from this, this is duplicate column, whatever the column that you want to duplicate, you can duplicate it. So directly what we did, we given the right click over here that we click over here. So instead of here that there is direct option that is there. So you can click over here that it automatically create the duplicate. So that is simple thing option, no worry. So now observe, these are all the somewhat the basic one. Now what I want here that, so let me write here that start from the 0. Or from 1 or custom index that you can give anything. Fine. So these are all some of the options. Now what you need to understand here that your Power Query editor is going to run based on some language behind it. That language we used to call it as a MASAP language. So whatever we are discussing from today onwards for few days, next few days, whatever the MASAP language, nobody will ask you entry questions. But this is, I'm giving you the information whenever you go for the any product based companies. So in that cases, I don't want you to lose the any single question. So these are all the somewhat coding which we are going to write over here that. So that is not important for you. So you don't worry whether you do practice or not, that is okay, fine. No worry about it. Class lo mali chestale. So fine. Now observe here that. So whatever we discuss, that is no matter, you don't worry about it. So your Power Query editor is going to run whatever the option that you do. So it is going to based on the some language, that language which you used to call it as a M language. So here the M stand for MASAP, simple thing. So MASAP language, it is going to use that one. The simple thing, remember. So this is only somewhat the people might be asking you. So what, the language basis your Power Query editor is going to run, the background of the language, that is the M language, MASAP language. Apart from this, whatever the coding, the scenario, that won't ask, don't worry. But you have to be ready with all the weapons, so that's why keep in mind. So my question is that here that, so what are the data types that are there in the M language? M means MASAP language. So do you have data types here as well? The Power Query editor? Yes, we do have. So what kind of the data types that are there? So the data types that you can remember that the number data type, text data type, time data type, or duration something. 2 or 3 you just remember, we will see that practical. So one is the the number text you can give. So let me open where we need to write that the coding of the M language. Observe. I'm going to Power Query editor over here. So observe. This is, I told you yesterday, this is the language, M language. So this is MASAP language. Whatever you do perform, it is going to write the some coding background it. So whatever, wherever that you want to click over here, that it is going to create that one language over here. For example, here I want something. Let me give here something addition or multiplication. Division I want to give. So just click on OK. You just observe. Here the some language is written. So this is not required for you to understand what is the language, how to write the language and anything. So just observe only that we can write the language here also. So now I want to check with the first, the number. So let me write over here that number. So how to reach out to the M language, just observe here. So DAX is the different than this M language, remember. This is not DAX. So that is, remember, don't confuse. DAX we are not able to, we haven't started. So how to reach out to M language to write? Just observe, go to the home menu. There is the new source. Here there is the blank query. The moment you click on it, your M language is open here. The condition for this, you just observe, just give equal to, just you can give any number. Just hit the enter, you will get that number only at the down. Simple. So this is number type, which means that whatever you type over here, that it is going to give you on the output. So you don't worry, just observe only. So can we able to write the text also? So observe the same thing. So here, so one more thing, shall we try to write the decimal also? So how to reach out there? Go to the home menu, new source. There is the blank query. So here it is, we are going to write it. The condition is that you just give equal to first. Then I'm entering some number and decimal also I'm entering. Can I able to get it or not? So that is the thing. Let me give decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So hit the enter, you can see. Even the decimals also you can give. So one more thing, go to the home menu, source, go to the blank array, give equal to. So let me give some number. So divide it by some number. Can I able to give it? Yes. You can give it all operations. So can we give plus minus like that? So we will check it out, that one as well. So go to the new source, go to the blank array, give equal to. So I'm giving 10 plus 20. Hit the enter. Are you getting output? Yes. So for example here, let me give minus. Can I able to get that one? Yes. If I give here that multiplication, so can I get it output? Yes. This is how simple thing. You just remember the number that you can give. Can we able to give the text as well? So number, that is fine. Number data type. The text, let me check it out. So go to the blank array. Give equal to. I'm writing here that Power BI. So hit the enter. Are you getting? No. So what is the problem here? That whenever you given the text, you must put them in the double quote. In the double quote you can write. Now you hit the enter, you will get it the output. So for example, if you want entire the 2-3 words, what you do? Let me go to the new blank array. Be equal to, I'm giving Microsoft. So this is I'm giving, I get this one. So for example, so in M language, here again I need to take, wait. So I want 2 words. So one is the Microsoft, and the second one I'm just giving that add. So Power BI. Can I able to give it? Can I able to get the output? No, you can't get it. So we will try to check it out, how we can overcome it, how we can concatenate it. So, but for now you just understand. If you want to give in the within the only one, so one double quote, that can you able to execute it? Yes. So this is only fine. So let me check with the date also once. This duration, time, everything is the same. True or false. If you give true, it will give you true. False, it will give you false. Simple thing. So time, the function is called local now. This is the function, date, time, local now. Just to go, open and close parenthesis. Just hit the enter. You can see the date, time, everything it is coming based on your laptop timings. And date also you can get it. So can we able to do for the any boolean one, true or false? Let me check it out. Only enter the text only, it is going to give you. So true. So let me give the single quote. The enter, you will get it. False, if you want, you can give that false. So you will get it. Simple thing, that is not bigger thing. So that is how you write it. So now let me check it out. This is something applied step. Can we able to rename it or not? That is not scenario. Just observe only. There is no applied steps here. Here are the many applied steps. In the real time, what it is happening. So when you join in the middle of the thing, so you just observe here that can I able to rename it all this? Yes. How to do it? Just give right click. You just go here, rename. So here I am giving here applied index. So from 0 I applied the first one. So this is how you can give. So it give you more meaningful to the other developer as well, not only you. So in the team, when you join in the middle of the project, so you don't know what is the applied step that you applied. So in the real time, what it is happening, it's almost the 20, 30, 40 applied step might be there. So what you do, you can't able to go and check every time. So that's why we can give that some meaningful information for this. For example, here, I'm just giving here that index only. So which means that any developer can understand here the applied index. So instead of added index 2, added index 3 like this, you can give like that index 0 there. So here that index is 1, start from 1, that means, so let me give start from 1. So just like this, you can give rename over here that this is not scenario, this is for your real-time use. Start from custom, right? The last one which we used, custom index. So this is fine. So our story is with the the M language. This is in the middle came. Might be some people asking doubts. So fine. Observe here that whenever you go for the writing here, so this one is called M language. There are the two values that are there. One is the individual value, one is the multiple value. Individual value means you can give number at once or text at once, whichever we given, and the time at once or boolean at once, true or false. The same thing we have given, which means that whatever you enter there, that is only the not mixture of the other things, only one value. So whenever you go for the multiple, this is the combination of the multiple values. So nobody will ask in the interviews, don't worry. Just for your understanding purpose only, just observe only. So combination, which means that just like this, observe the syntax. So how we are going to give that? So I just wanted to use that number combination, text combination, date combination, boolean combination. Just like this, I want to give multiple things. So just observe here that whenever you want to go for the text, you know already that you put them, put them into the, between that double quote. The same manner also for the date as well. So you must put them into the double quote, otherwise you can't able to get the output. Let me observe here that one more thing. Did you observe here that? So whenever you go for the combination, you must use this one, flower braces. Here the flower braces, which we used to call it as a list function. List function means these are all the different list. So we are putting them into the one list, that is called the list function. So flower braces, we can use it. Just observe here. Without using this list, can we able to get it or not? We cannot. Try to understand. Go here the blank array. So let me give equal to. I'm not giving anything. I'm giving the some number. Just giving comma. I want to give something the text. Can I able to get it or not? I just wanted to check it. Some decimal points I want to give. And date, I'm putting them into the this one. So today is 10th, 8th now, date 08 something 10 20 25. Then next I'm going to give that something Microsoft. So I have given multiple combination. Number I have given, decimal also I have given, text also I have given, date also I have given. The lengthy text also I want to give here that Microsoft data analytics. Something like this I have given. So the moment you hit the enter, you will get this, the expected error. So that's why if you want to get the such outputs, what you need to do, you have to use that function which is called list function. That is, put them into the flower braces. So go put them into the flower braces. Now hit the enter. Now you can see here like this. So you can give the whatever the within the braces, it is come from the left, start from the left. So whatever the numbers, decimals that are there, it is will be there in the left, right side. Simple thing. So this is how list function help you. The next one, observe here that the same combination only. What I want to do for the list. So list means you know about it. List means list only, list of the items, just like that. But my scenario here that I want to get that my serial number I want to provide. That serial number just like index. So from 1 to 200 I want to get by using the list function. So how to get it? Observe. So here the list function, what you do, already flower, within the flower braces only you have to put it them. Then what you need to use, from where you want to start. So you want to start from 1 to 200. So in between that, you just use that two dots. Then you can give that ending number. Then it automatically taking you that from 1 to 200, it is going to give that list. Observe here. I'm going to take the new source blank or give equal to, I'm giving that directly this one. So this is just, you just understand, I'm giving 1. So I want 1 to 10. I'm giving 1 double dot 10 only. So if I don't give double dot, just observe, I'm giving comma only. Can I give comma or not? Let me check it out. I have given the comma. Hit the enter. Are you getting what? You still getting the output? That is whatever the numbers that you put inside that list function. So instead of using the comma over here, I just wanted to use the double dot. Now go hit the enter. This is how you get from 1 to 10. So here, for example, if you want to start from the 5, can you able to give it? Yes. So your starting number is 5, ending number is 10. So here, for example, if I give 100, can I able to get it? Yes. Just observe. From 1 to 50, you can get that one. So we have given 100 now. So till 100, you can get it. So if you want 1 to 100, simple thing here, starting number, you can give any number. 1 you can give, you will get the 100. So if you want 500 or 1000, if you want, I am giving the 1000. Excuse me. Hit the enter, you will get that numbers till the 1000. So you simply go like this, you will reach out at the end 1000 only. Till, just like this, till 1000 you can reach out. So this is how list help you to make the list. So not only the numbers, combination of the text and numbers, data also you can get it. So list values, so wherever the starting number and ending number if you have, you can get by using the list function. So that is how it helps. So next one, observe. So you might see such function in your the Python as well. So dictionaries we used to use the same flower braces, but here we used to call it as a list function. Okay, let it be. That is the different story. Now what I want with the multiple combinations here as well. So whatever the combination that we have used, the more than that I want to use the multiple combination. Just to observe here that scenario. So what I want some numbers, fixed numbers. Then apart from that, what I want here that, so I want another thing, text as well. So here I am giving some 5 to 100 I want to give. Okay, fine, you can give by using the list. But some fixed number also I have given till the 5. That is also okay. So after 100 you stop over here, that 5 to 100. Then again I want to 200 to 300. That is also okay, fine. We can see. Then we can give text also. Let me check it out, this one. Mixture of the multiple data types that I want to figure it out. Now go here, go to the blank array, give equal to. Now observe, something I'm giving 10, 20, 30, 40, I'm giving 50. So from 50 to I want to give 100. So let me execute till here. You can understand a better way otherwise. So now go here, hit the enter. So you will understand here 10, 20, 30, 40. So these are all coming straight away. So where we have stopped? So here the 50. From 50 to I have used the two dots. So which means that it is going to consider that 50 to 100 I want to give serial numbers. You just observe here. This is how you get it. So for example, if you want to give some other numbers as well here, For example, I'm giving 500, 600, 700 like this. Still, can I able to get it, this list in the middle of that one? So let me check it out. So now observe 10, 20, 30, 40, till the 40, 50 it is stopped. From 50 to 100 it is taking that list. So you just observe. So till 100 it is their serial number. Then after that, whatever the number that is used by using the comma separated, that numbers it is fixed output. Fine. So now I'm directly going for this text combination. So let me write here that Microsoft Power Query. So Power Query editor, something like this I have given. Just observe here that this is how you just have to understand over here. So this is how you just understand. Let me check at the end whether the text coming or not. Yes. So let me expand it. You can see full text. So this is how you can see. Fine. Let's see the next one. So next one more function, that is the record function. The list function we have used, that is by using the flower braces, but the record function we have to use square braces. Here there's two things you just need to understand. Record means record. So record means that should be meaningful. So for the meaningful of any record, so record means something, so it should have some meaning. The meaning means, for example, if you want to provide the something, the scenario you just observe over here. ఉన్న క్లాస్లో ఉన్న మళ్ళీ చేస్తానండి క్లాస్లో ఉన్న మళ్ళీ చేస్తా just observe here that it should have meaning. So meaning means in this scenario you just observe, I want to provide the ID, so my ID should be like this. So what we have done here, that by using the list function, whatever we have given that is the fixed one. So there is no meaning for this. What is the 1, what is the 2, what is the 5, what is the number like this, what is the text. So if you want to give that some number just like a record, so how to provide that? You must use that the between equal to, so whatever the name that you want to provide you can give, and after that you can give this one. So this is how you just want to use for the record function. So name you can give whatever the name that you want, any age or anything that you want to use you can use. Let me try to write it. The same thing we will try to write it by using this one list function. Go to the blank array. So what I'm using the flower braces, which means that list function earlier what we did. So I'm giving ID, so this is my something ID. So I'm giving my name, so my name is something, let me give music, and so something the sales value or something you can give it here. So something number I want to give. Fine. Let me try to execute. What I used the flower braces, which means that list function. Are you getting? No. So that's why. So here that might be the you think this name is in the format of the double quote. Let me give here that one also to get more clarity. Go and execute it. So are you getting? No. Same error. So for example, if you use the record function, what you need to use? Square braces. So starting square braces, ending square braces. This is record function. Now go hit the enter, you will get the answer. So what record function is going to do? Record function is creating that some meaningful information. Whatever the number that you have given, this data type is the number data type. So that is we have given the ID. So here the data type is this one, text data type. So that's why I put them into the text format. The something location I want to provide here that. So for the location, so we are living in Hyderabad. Then hit the enter. Here you can see. So as many as columns. These are all, just like a columns. These are all the records. So this is how you can give. So how many we have given? Only one record we have given. So if you want to give the multiple records, let me try it out. I'm going to give here that one more list I'm going to create. So otherwise, let me use plus or comma. Let me try it out. The same thing, let me copy. So here I'm just changing the something. Let me expand it. So my ID next ID would be 1002. So here my next name would be Kumar. So here my sales value would be something you can give 20, 25, 20, 24, something like this. So my location now is, let me give Bangalore. Fine. Now go and execute it. Are you getting it? Throwing error. So here the operator is the wrong. So let me give here that instead of this one, let me give comma. So now let me try it out. Am I getting? No. So what you can do for this, record function, the alone you can give one record. So if you want to give the multiple record, what should I follow the, that syntax? Let me make you, understand over here. So my next scenario, I wanted to give the two records. I have already entered the two records. But what I want to use that, you must use that, the list function as well. So whatever the list function, you can, open flower braces and close flower braces. It is going to give that these are all the two list values. So currently these are all the two separate records. So if you want to combine them, the two or more record values, you must use that list function as well. So here I'm just using that flower brace closing. Here that I'm using the open brace, open flower brace. So now go and observe it. So record that is there. I didn't change anything. The square braces that is there for the one list, I have given comma in the middle. So another one that is there. So let me try to give here that plus, you can understand more better. Go and click on OK. So are you getting it? Throwing error because some syntax missing that are there. So if you want to see that error, you just go there and click over there. So just like this is just like hyperlink. It is giving you what is your mistake. So that's why what you do. So go back where it is again, need to write. Let me remove the applied step. So this is our original data, two records. Instead of here plus, I just want to use the comma. Now you will get the output. Then hit the enter or click over here that commit. So this is how you get two records. So what happening earlier, we have given that one record, it automatically giving the answer. So that is removed now. Let me copy it again. You have to see the differences, otherwise you can't understand. So if they enter, so only one record that is there, you directly get the output. So let me create that one more by using the list which we have discussed. The same thing I'm just pasting over here. So this one forget. Now observe here. Are you getting the direct answer? No. So whenever you use that one, so you can't able to get that direct option. So for that matter, what you need to do, so every time you go to that hyperlink, you have to click over there. Just observe here that these two are the records. So whatever the items that are there inside that record. So if you want to see that result, what is there inside that record, you go here that this is the hyperlink under the list. So that's why keep in mind whenever you use the list, it is going to give that header is the list. The remaining records are just like a records. So the moment you click on this hyperlink, you will get that first list. Simple thing. So if you want to get that second record, so let me remove this navigation, go back to that one. So second record, you just go click on it. So you will get that second record, whatever you have given. Simple thing. Now observe the next one. So for example, those two records that are there, you can easily go there. For example, if you have the, the multiple things. So wait, let me, this copy is there with me. No? So you can click over here that you will get it, the second record or first record like this. Instead of this one, can we able to use that index number? That is only the thing. Let me check it out. The same thing already, copied one, I have pasted. So for example, if I have the multiple records like this, so I'm copying the same thing. So I just wanted to paste it. So these many records are there. So let me change the number only, ID. So here the 1001, here the 003. I'm just only changing the ID only for your understanding. Look at it. So this is 4. Let me give, this is 5. This is 6. This is 7th record. This is 8th record. Okay, let it be. These many records are there. Once you go hit the enter, you just observe, you will get these many records. But what is happening here that inside that list, you have so many records. So if you want last record, you go here that click over here every time. So instead of doing that, I just wanted the 5th record, I want to open it automatically. Just like this, whatever you have seen here, that opening record. The same way you want to see here as well. So for that matter, what you can do here that you can use that, index function. So that index function, already that is, by default is starting from the 0. So for example, at the end, what I'm using, for the index also, you must use flower braces. If you use the 0, which means that first record will come. So let me check what is the first record first. So this is 1001 is the first record. We again need to take the copy. Wait, let me take the copy again. So because there is no option to go back over here. So this is how the many list. So once you hit the enter, you can see this many list. So we have changed only ID only. So I want to see the 4th record. So instead of going to click, on a hyperlink, I just wanted to go directly by using the index number. So already that index is by default is starting from the 0. So you can consider this first one 0, 1, 2, 3. If you give 3, automatically your 4th record is going to open. So how to give that index number? The same thing, flower braces you can use. So inside that, whatever the number, index number that you can give. So usually it is starting from the 0. So just hit the enter, you can see that record automatically open 4th record. So if you want to see for first record, already that 1001 first record. So which means that 0 record, so 0 index number. Go click on commit. You can see that first one will come. So for example, there are the 9 I think.